It's like almost 1 a.m. My room's almost clean. To explain the glitter earlier, I was picking up my sewing box and I found a bunch of blue glitter in it, and I had it all piled up so that I could wipe it off into a trash can. My cat decided to come over, sniff it and go, and it went all over the place. So now I have glitter all over my bed sheets. I don't even have a container of blue glitter in my room, so I don't know what's going on with that. Quick update, I hacked about 8 inches off of my hair. Oh, you can't tell right now. Yeah, I hacked about 8 inches off my hair. About 6 inches of it was just dead and split and awful. So yeah, I'm gonna have short hair for a while. It's easier to take care of. Tomorrow I'm going bowling and mini golfing with some friends. Then after that I'm having Liz 1, I'm Liz 2, or 2, and Marissa over for a sleepover, which should be fun. Nothing else is really happening. It was like 100 something degrees yesterday. That was awful. Now I'm probably going to lay in bed and read, maybe until my videos upload. I'm uploading right now. Not a vlog. It's I made a video response to Caters17, thanking her and Corey for all of the help that they give unknowingly to their fans through their vlogs. Oh, fan. When you can't turn off the fan, just bring it to you and do it. Yeah. I've been cleaning for, I'd say, about almost 3 hours. Finally hung up my new tapestry. Using paint as glue to glue up my little, what I call my ghetto table. Only because that thing has been so just rigged with tape to stay together. But I'm using paint as glue right now because I don't have any glue. But yeah, tomorrow should be fun. Hanging out with friends. I can't bowl. I worked at a mini golf place. I'm not good at mini golf, but I worked at a mini golf place. I guess that kind of counts as experience. I'm tired, but I want to read. Yeah, so what else? There's really nothing going on in my life right now. It's pretty boring. Summer vacation. I need to read a summer reading book, but I have other books I want to read. I can't think of anything. I'm sorry, my vlogs have been very short and very boring recently, because I've been doing nothing. Ugh. Yeah, also, I vlog a lot more than I, post, but my computer likes to get halfway through exporting and go, oh, I don't like your videos, and it deletes it. So, or my phone deletes it. So I need to get into saving things onto a thumb drive before I go to export them, so that I can export them from a thumb drive. Maybe that'll work. Yeah, nothing new. 8 inches gone from this. Now it's not a big old rat's nest 24/7. yeah, that's it. Not very interesting. What can you do? I'm 15, almost 16. I can't drive. None of my friends can drive. Yeah. Once I can drive, vlogs may get interesting. I'm not going to vlog and drive, though. No. I'll probably get something. Like, to attach to the dashboard. So I can be driving and talking. Talk to you guys while I drive. That'd be interesting. Sorry, I have popcorn in my teeth. Yeah. I've been munching on popcorn. Wow. And drinking my favorite thing in the world, ginger ale. Yeah. So I'm gonna go read for about half an hour before I just completely. Oh wait, no, I have to get glitter off of my bed. Ugh. Alright, then I'm gonna get glitter off my bed, then read, and then pass out. And then wake up early in the morning because I have to clean more. Because my room's not done and I'm not cleaning until like 3 a.m. Yeah. I have to get up early tomorrow. Like, I got up kind of early today and that was noon. I've gotten into this really bad habit where I stay up until like 4 a.m. and then sleep until about 4 p.m. Yeah. So I've like turned nocturnal. Hold on, TV's going kooky. If I have my phone too close to my TV while it's on, it makes weird noises. I don't know what it is. If you know what it is, tell me. I'd like to know. Right now I'm assuming it's aliens. So I told my brother. 75% to go until my video repost or video response, that's the word I'm looking for, is uploaded. Then I get to upload this. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And you'll see a bunch of other friends goofing around, trying to play mini golf. And bowl, which is going to be very interesting because none of my friends are coordinated. Yeah. And you get to meet Liz 1 without a beard. Last vlog she was in, she had a beard. Not a real one, sorry. I zoned out. Not a real beard, it was a makeup beard, but still. You get to see an actual female Liz 1. I'm Liz 2. Yeah, and the quick explanation behind that, when I say Liz 1, I'm talking about other Liz because she's older than me. She was the first Liz between us. So, I'm talking with my hands without even showing it on the camera. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna go read and pass out on my bed. Wake up in the morning, clean, shower, and then go bowling. That should be really interesting. I'll vlog that too. Alright, so, see you guys tomorrow. So tired.